Inside this plywood mill, raw logs go in and high-strength panels come out by the thousands.
Line's moving.
It starts with incoming timber. Every load selected for the right diameter, straightness, and wood quality.
Hold there. Good straight stock.
Copy.
Plywood depends on veneer, so the cleaner and straighter the log is, the better the sheet will be.
Tight grain, minimal knots.
Once unloaded, the mill feeds logs into a continuous line designed to run fast without losing control.
Easy. Set it down. Copy.
First step is debarking, because dirt and bark destroy blades and ruin smooth veneer.
Debarker's on, feeds clean.
Powerful cutters strip the surface clean, leaving only solid wood ready for peeling.
Clean peel, no grit.
Even the bark is valuable, often used for fuel or other byproducts instead of going to waste.
Send it to biomass.
Next, the logs get washed to remove grit that can weaken glue bonds and scratch veneer. Before peeling, logs are heated and softened so the veneer comes off smoothly instead of tearing.
Steams up, hold temp.
Conditioning makes a huge difference, especially when the goal is a clean, continuous ribbon of veneer.
That's a good heat.
Operators constantly adjust settings because the wood changes from log to log, minute to minute.
Nice. Bring speed down 2. Copy.
Now the key machine in plywood, the rotary lathe, built to peel a log like a roll of paper.
Center's good, lock it.
A long blade meets the spinning log, and the veneer begins to unroll in one continuous sheet.
Nice ribbon.
This is where the mill creates surface area fast, turning a single log into a long veneer ribbon.
Keep it steady.
Veneer thickness is carefully controlled because consistency here becomes consistency in every finished panel.
Hull thickness.
The ribbon is fragile, so it's carried on rollers designed to prevent wrinkles and tears.
Watch the edge, nice and flat.
Next, the ribbon is clipped into sheets, sized for dryers, stacking, and later assembly.
Clip length set? Good.
Defects and rough edges are trimmed away, so only usable veneer continues down the line.
Trim it clean.
Sheets are stacked and sorted because face veneer, back veneer, and core layers all have different standards.
Face to lane 1.
Got it. Dryer's at set point.
Fresh veneer holds moisture, so it goes into industrial dryers for controlled drying.
Coming out, the veneer is flatter, lighter, and far more stable for bonding.
Nice and dry. Every sheet is checked. Knots, holes, splits, and weak grain all affect how the panel performs. Flag that split.
Marked.
Higher grade veneer is repaired with patches, small fixes that save material and improve the final surface.
Patch set.
A good patch sits level, bonds tight, and won't show after sanding.
Flush.
Now the mill has the building blocks ready, thin layers that will be pressed into one strong sheet.
Straight back, good. Copy.
The strength comes from resin adhesive, mixed precisely so it cures correctly under heat and pressure.
Mix ratio locked.
Glue is applied in a controlled film. Too little causes weak bonds, too much causes waste and bleed through.
Coat weight steady.
The goal is an even coat across the full sheet, including edges where failure often starts.
Edges covered.
Now the layers are assembled with grain directions alternating. This is what makes plywood strong and stable.
Cross-grain set.
Alignment is critical because the cleaner the layup, the cleaner the finished panel after trimming. Square it up.
Locked.
The assembled stack is called a mat, and it's ready to be compressed before final pressing.
Mat coming through.
Pre-pressing removes air gaps and improves contact, helping the hot press cure more evenly.
Pre-press down. Copy.
After pre-press, the stack is tight, stable, and easier to handle without slipping out of alignment.
Good hold. Send it. This is the heart of the plywood mill, the hot press, where heat and pressure turn layers into a single panel.
Press is open.
Press settings are carefully timed because cure quality determines strength, durability, and flatness.
Timer set, load complete.
These presses apply enormous force to hit a precise thickness across the entire sheet.
Pressure's holding.
Press closing.
Inside, the resin flows into the wood fibers and cures, locking the layers together permanently.
When the press opens, you're looking at finished plywood, still hot, freshly bonded, and dimensionally set.
Panel out.
Panels cool in stacks, so internal stresses settle without twisting or warping.
Stack it square.
Next, trimming cuts the sheet square and removes rough edges, squeeze out, and oversized material.
Trim line ready.
Trim waste is collected and reused wherever possible, often as chips or fuel.
Scrap the chips.
Quality checks confirm thickness, panel density, and bond integrity before the surface is finished.
Thickness good.
Sanding brings the surface to a uniform finish and precise thickness, especially for higher grade plywood.
Sander running smooth.
Removing too much can expose core veneer, so sanding is controlled down to tiny increments.
Half a mil. Hold it.
Now the surface is clean and even, ready for coating, laminating, or use as is.
Finish looks good.
Face grading decides where the panel belongs: construction, general purpose, or premium appearance grades.
Premium face.
Natural wood varies, but premium plywood keeps that variation within strict limits.
Within spec.
Marking on.
Each sheet is identified for tracking, so the mill can trace performance back to a specific batch.
The last check looks for bubbles, gaps, or delamination, problems that can show up under stress later.
No voids.
Plywood has to act like one solid panel, not separate layers, so bonding quality is everything. Bond solid.
Proved sheets are stacked carefully to protect faces and keep panels flat.
Nice and square.
Bundles are strapped tight, so nothing shifts during forklift moves and long transport.
Straps tight.
From here, it's inventory and logistics, keeping product dry, organized, and ready to ship.
Aisle clear. Copy.
Wrapping protects plywood from moisture and dirt, especially important if it's headed far from the mill.
Wrap it tight.
In minutes, bundles that started as forest logs are loaded as finished building material.
All clear. Set it. Copy.
That layered edge is the signature of plywood, cross-grained strength that resists warping and cracking.
Perfect layup.
The whole process is a balance of moisture, heat, pressure, and alignment, kept stable at high speed. Premium plywood isn't just strong, it's consistent, smooth, and reliable sheet after sheet.
Dust systems run constantly, keeping the air clearer and preventing defects from contamination.
Extraction steady.
Many mills reuse wood waste to generate heat for drying, turning leftovers into energy.
Biomass feeds on.
Automation helps, but human attention still counts the small problems machines can miss.
Edge looks good now.
A slight tear, a moisture change, or a dull blade can snowball fast, so corrections happen immediately.
Guide it. Now.
The result is engineered wood at scale, built for strength, stability, and predictable performance. From raw log to finished panel, plywood is a product of controlled steps, done in the right order.
Clear to go.
And once you've seen the process, every sheet of plywood feels a little more impressive.
If you want the full process of another wood product next, leave it in the comments.